Okay, guys.
Hey guys, this is part 2 of the space shooter game.
Last episode we covered making the shooting mechanism,
which is pretty cool, and moving sideways.
So now in this episode, which could be the last one, but we are going to cover making the spaceship shooting and making the
enemies.
Oh yeah, sorry, the enemies and the background scrolling. So
if
because
we do background scrolling.
we are gonna do background scrolling. Background scrolling is extremely simple, and well, it's not that important, but it's simple. So yeah, let's start. Yeah, so okay, so you can start by making the enemies, and they can be just straight up duplicates of the player.
Yeah, but change the color maybe.
Yeah, change the color, make it red, make it red, make it
red, because red, when you see it, it feels like this is gonna be the enemy.
What did you do? No, that's.
I want a purple.
You can do whatever color. We're just doing red here.
Yeah, red. It also looks nice. Wait, and make it points.
No, we can fix that. That's not important right now. That's not important right now. We can change that later. But start off, you want to delete all code in here.
Yeah, except for the one green flag.
And just
enemies. Enemy. Oh.
Okay, so the enemies will be remember, this is one enemy. You're not gonna make duplicates of each sprite. You're going to make one enemy and clone it.
Should we do that in this video?
Yes. Okay. What do you think? Yeah. Anyways, so we can start off by using the same code we used in the bullet, and that's just to spawn it anywhere. So let's start by making it go to
0
and like
Y, maybe in the middle. Yeah, in the middle.
No, the top.
In the top, yeah.
Top's nice.
94. Not 94. Put 94.
Do 140. 140, for example.
No, 140 will be too. Put 94.
No, that's perfect. 140 is perfect. If you start now. Yeah. It doesn't start exactly off screen, but yeah, you got it there, and it's not pointing in the right direction. You need it to point,
because it needs to turn around
downwards. So I think if you get the pointing direction, why couldn't I find that? Oh, this is sticky.
Pointing direction.
And click there, and then now just put it down. No, that's the wrong direction. Is it? Yeah, it is just downwards. It needs to point downwards. Okay. Yeah, 180. And just quick check. Okay, yeah.
I think it's this.
Yeah, it must be this. And now, yep. Now points downwards and
pointing direction -90.
Now we need to make it so that it clones. So again, it needs to hide, like in the bullet. If you didn't watch the previous episode, just watch that.
Right now.
Please use. Okay, anyways. This isn't placing down.
I think you're right clicking border.
Yeah, so that will hide it, so it won't show anymore. And we could start by now doing the cloning. So forever, we're going to create a clone of myself.
And maybe wait 1 second, like last time.
And the clone currently won't show, but just put a 1 second there. It's so hard to work on. Okay, now we need to go to the we need to go to, I think. So it needs to clone, and it's going to show. So just get the one I start as clone.
When I start as clone, that means and then just when you become creative clone of myself.
And now put a show button.
Show unlocks. Show.
And now if you start the program, and now if you start moving the enemies, you see that there's gonna be more than one, as you see, and that's how you know that your program's working.
Yeah.
After that, we can completely start making it work, and the enemies can spawn at 0.5 because you don't want it to be too hard. You can do your difficulties.
8.3 because
no 0.5. 0.5 I think is good.
Yeah.
Anyways, so it's now going to spawn anywhere on the x-axis. So it can spawn from, let's say, this point to this point is going to be its spawn radius. So you could do, for example, I think 450, and okay,
Pick random.
we'll get to that. So yeah, see, it's gonna start spawning here. I think that's way too far out, and we could do like negative
minus 435. Is that?
minus 420. Minus 420.
Oh, let's try this, maybe.
So it's gonna spawn in one, and then it's gonna spawn in the others.
Minus 400.
400, exactly 400.
Yeah, let's try.
That's so off. Just, you know what? Shut that. And let's just show the sprite. Oh wait, okay. Sorry. Negative 240. It depends on your sprite. You just want to drag it across the screen as much as you can. That'll go there. So that's the end. That's as far as it goes. So we could do negative to 10. And you just want to play around a bit until that's good. And it's gonna spawn on the complete opposite. So whatever your first number is, it's gonna spawn on the. So if it's like negative 50, your opposite's gonna be 50. So you just remove the negative. Next, we're gonna get a pick random. So every 0.5 seconds, it's gonna spawn in a random area.
Minus 250 to 250. Was it 250?
No, 210.
Oh yeah, 210.
So negative 210 to 210. So now you want to get you want to get that set X up there, so it spawns at random. Now hitting this will give us completely randomized spawns. Now they can't die yet, but they are spawning. Next we need them to start acting into gravity, and for that we got here in the
gravity in space.
Sorry, not gravity. falling down. They need to start falling down on you, and I think we can make them
maybe we can make them shoot bullets.
Yeah, they are gonna be shooting bullets, obviously, but we're gonna make them to start going down slowly and shooting bullets, and I think that could be a good start.
Yeah.
So they just start off by falling down onto you and shooting the bullets. So that's how it could work for them. Something like that, or they could just fall onto you. Anyways, we've got this part.
You can make them move however you want. You can make them not move at all, actually.
If you duplicate this.
Yeah.
You don't even need to duplicate it. Just bring it over to the enemy sprite.
And just.
You just do it. That glitched out.
Oh my. So just move this until it shakes like that.
Yeah, and then it should be in the enemies. Wait, you want to put it back. In the
and also make sure to put this back here.
And now go to the enemies.
Go to enemies and you can see it here.
Okay, so now we can do this. And you put it there. So now if you hit the green flag, they should start falling down. Sorry, it's changed Y.
It changed Y. Move 5 steps won't work.
So here you want to put a change Y.
Even though that looked pretty cool.
And 5 steps.
Yeah, 5. No, minus 5.
Oh yeah.
Minus 5 because it needs to go backwards, not downwards. I mean.
And if
10.
And now you're gonna start spawning randomly.
But even if you hit it.
Now, until now, they won't do anything.
Yeah.
And should we make them shoot bullets or hit you?
Hit you.
Okay. Yeah, they could just be like raining spikes. So yeah, they can be just spikes which are falling down on you. Those could be your enemies. You made them. I think maybe in the next episode we might put them to shoot bullets. But for now, they're gonna be like this. And now they need to be affected by bullets. So. In this repeat until.
Maybe we should make it kill him first.
No, first we do this. If, and then it's gonna check if touching.
Bullet.
So the bullet, it's gonna check while it's falling down. Remember, it's falling down.
Did he eat this clone?
No. Wait. Yeah. Exactly. And you wanna put it at the top so that it's always checking if you're touching the bullet first, and not checking if you're touching the bullet second, because it might pass down by the bullet whilst it's still falling down, and that might glitch out.
So let's
now you run it.
Just
and zoom
go
in.
to make
And
sure it's working.
just go to one here.
Yeah.
And as
Yeah.
you see, that just shoots them out.
Just
But as you
pretty
see,
cool.
now
But
one thing you might be noticing is
that
the bullets can pierce, which isn't something in shooter game. In fact, bullets go in and they stop.
yeah,
So that's a very easy fix, in fact.
yeah.
So to fix that, you can keep this if you want. Personally, I don't like it. You just need to, oh sorry, go back here, get this, yeah, the if touching bullet without the chain. Yeah.
Put in the bullet.
Yeah, put that back. You want to go to the bullet, you want to remove the chains Y minus 5 parts. You want to put it up top. Here, above the move 5 steps.
Here.
No, in the repeat until.
Oh, yeah.
There, and now, instead of bullets, just put enemies. That's what you need to do.
Enemy.
So now, if you play again, you want to make it full screen.
Yeah, full screen.
For the best quality, and
oh,
that will delete the clone to something you probably will notice, and that's fixable. Okay, that's just easy. It's an easy to fix, and all you need to do is,
it doesn't work.
what do you mean?
It goes through it.
Yeah, so it is glitching. You just need to do this. Oh, and that's still glitching. Anyways, you don't need this. That's a hard fix. Well,
yeah.
There are going to be some bugs, but those are all going to be fixed soon enough.
And
but
maybe
yes,
in the next part.
Yeah, but as you see,
it's a pretty cool game.
Okay, and it works. Just start the game, reset it. You put yourself off of it, and you can kill enemies now.
Yeah.
And that's nice.
And but wait, before we end the video, I think it's better if it goes to front layer, because like it looks weird going underneath and
yeah. Wait, we don't need an actual front layer. Remove that. Wait, if you remove that real quick. So what we need to do now is to make the enemy be able to kill.
Maybe next video, because.
So we just do this. So it's gonna check. Oh wait, we need an if else this time. We're gonna put touching bullet, and then we're gonna get this if, put it in there, and then we're gonna get a delete this clone here. So if it's touching bullet, it's gonna delete this clone, and if it's touching the player, it's also gonna delete this clone. Remove the original if.
Oh wait, it's deleted. Wait there.
Put that on the top. Okay. Put that inside where it was.
On the top, not
yeah.
before.
Yeah. And now, if you save and finally play one last time, make it full screen.
No, wait.
You notice that if it touches the player,
it dies.
You will die.
No, it dies, not me.
You get the point. And it could die. And
no, it doesn't die.
That's easy. You can make the player die instead, so both will die. And to do this, we need to broadcast. I'm just going to use the message one. This can be changed.
Just like, if touching player.
Broadcast. Now, you want to go to player.
It doesn't matter really.
Yeah, and now you want to go to player and you want to put one receiving. When I receive message one, just hide. Hide and then stop all. Hide.
Stop all, and that's
now
the end of this video after we try it out.
And as you see, hide and stop all, and if you click,
wait.
Oh, you need to put a show at the start. It's in it's in looks, yes.
Okay, that.
Now if you play, it's gonna work, and our time for recording is going to run out. So see you soon, and in the next episode we'll cover more bugs and fixes. Bye.